still rolling. Brandon! I'm not taking pictures. I'm taking a video of her.
You just missed my head. I know. I know what I'm doing. Oh, jeez.
You're an idiot.
I know what I'm doing. I didn't mean to hit you in the head. I never wanted to.
Go, Coral.
Nice.
Watch my phone. It's right there, right there.
Oh,
Don't push it. No, I can't get it out.
fingers.
Your phone's stuck.